Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Tamara Renaye. That's Tamara with 3 A's, no E. As you can see by the title of today's video, it is a requested video about my hairstyle. You guys have seen it in my last couple of videos and you guys really liked it on here, like on this platform, TikTok and Instagram. And I'm like, you know what, let me pull through and give y'all a tutorial on how I do it. But as you can see, it's a low ponytail situation. It's not any different from how I do my low buns. And this is like a go-to style of mine. The only difference is I attached a ponytail. I got it from Amazon. I will share and talk about it more in the video. It's very simple and quick to do this on your own, but I have everything linked in the description box below, and I try to be as detailed as possible throughout this video. So if you are interested in seeing how I got my ponytail, how I did my hairstyle and all that good stuff, then keep on watching. Also, I did warn y'all, okay? I warned y'all, keep watching. Get into this hairstyle. Y'all have been asking for a tutorial. It's not any different from how I do my low buns, which I do have tutorials here on my channel, but I have no problems with showing y'all the process from start to finish. I do want to start off by saying, yes, my hair is dirty from all the buildup from the gel. This is the gel I use to help me slick my hair down. My hair is relaxed, text lax, something lacks, okay? And I do have a bottle of water. You will need some water. It kind of helps throughout the process. If your hair is freshly washed, I highly recommend, of course, that you moisturize your hair. You know your hair, so you will know what to put in. And then all you need, 4 little tools here. So I have this small dense brush. This I got from my local beauty supply store. You need a Rattail comb, any Rattail comb, an edge brush, and just a regular comb. Okay, that's it. You will, of course, need a hair tie. This is the one I like to use. I like to double it though. I feel like I get more security and more hold with something like this. I'm gonna start off with just combing out my hair. And I've lost my parting. I don't know how I managed that to happen, but this is where the Rattail comb comes in. I'm showing y'all this on dirty hair, okay? I gotta wash my hair. I'm getting my hair done next week because my birthday is coming up and I'm excited. So this is the perfect time to show y'all how I do this. It kind of takes me a while to get the parting correct. I'm happy with my parting. So I'm just gonna comb this back. And my gray hairs, they are popping, okay? Oh my goodness. So my parting is different every time. Like the last time I did it, it had more of a curved look. But to be honest with you, I feel I will be going back and forth and I probably won't finish this video, so I'm just gonna continue. It's okay, I don't mind it like this. I don't like a straight side part. I need some type of direction, whether it be curved, diagonal, something, but the straight head on, no. So gel, and I used to use Got To Be hairspray. I don't use that anymore on my hair. I don't know, I just feel like back when I used to wear my hair often like this and I'd like go to work, I always wanted that extra tight hold. So the Got To Be really helped to keep my hair in place throughout the day when I was at work. But now, I mean, I don't need my hair done every day, so I just don't use it. I just use my gel, like literally lather my hair in this gel. And the reason why you will need water is sometimes I don't want to add extra gel. Just spraying my hair with water will reactivate the gel once it's dried down, depending on what I have to do. But I mean, this part is really self-explanatory. And now, edge brush, dip it into the gel. And I like to focus on the parting area. I want to make sure that that area is sleek, okay? Ooh, I added a lot of gel, child. I like to comb down some of my sideburns. That's what y'all want to call it. And I just keep going back and forth with the edge brush and this brush. And I will use the rat tail comb again when needed. But just keep slicking and brushing until like literally no hair is out of place. All right, this area, I really love doing my swoops. You don't have to. If it's not for you, it's not for you. That's simple, don't do it. And I say that because someone was like, oh, I don't like the swoops. I'm just like, baby, it ain't your hair. You ain't got to worry about it. I'll use the comb part of the brush, end of the edge brush, and I just do that. Like, y'all saw what I did? Take my time. I have to do this over. And see how this area, there's a lot of gel. I'm not gonna add any more. If this area dries down, that's when I'll spray some water to like reactivate the gel that's already here. And I don't know what's going on with my skin, but shoot. I added something new to my skincare routine and I don't know if it's acting up now. See, easy peasy. And of course, you cannot forget your nape, okay? You cannot forget your nape. Make sure you get that gel all up under there and slick the hair upward. All right, hair's in a ponytail, slick back. And now I'm actually going to just perfect my swoop. So this is what it's looking like. It's not the best of the best, but I made it work. I'm just gonna, you know, let it be. I liked how it looked better on Monday, but it's okay. So I'm gonna put my ponytail in a smaller bun and I'm gonna use a smaller scrunchie and just wrap it and tuck it underneath. So it's giving this type of bun, right? Okay, so this curly ponytail, I've been dying to get my hands on a really nice curly ponytail to do, you know, a low ponytail. So I went on Amazon, and this is my mistake. I've purchased a ponytail from them before and it was the worst ponytail ever. You're better off getting a ponytail from your local beauty supply store. Anyways, I went on Amazon out of convenience because I really did not want to leave the house. Now, I'm gonna link it in the description box below, okay? It is up to you whether you wanna make the purchase or not, okay? If you purchase it and you don't like it, you can't blame me because you chose to buy it, even though I'm giving y'all the warning. This is the ponytail. I don't like how it's layered. Why are you cutting the ponytail? You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't like this layered look. Even if you were to put it in a higher ponytail, like a, you know, up here, why is it layered? I like my ponytails to be one even length. And that's the kind of ponytails I get at my beauty supply stores. But I mean, I bought it, I spent 31 Canadian dollars on this ponytail from Amazon. And I have not put any product in it. I don't touch it. I just put it on and go. So this is what the curls, can it focus? This is what the curls end up looking like. Like there's some fuzzy ends and stuff. I would not leave my house in this ponytail, but because I'm filming content and I'm inside, guess what? It's going on my head. So it is a drawstring ponytail. We have the comb at the top, the comb at the bottom, right here, and then the string, you just pull it and you're good to go. So this ponytail, it looks really good from the front, but from behind, it is the most ugliest thing ever. I'm not even exaggerating. Like my sister saw my hair on Monday and she was like, as a matter of fact, I lied, last week, Friday. And she was like, why does a ponytail look like that? I said, girl, I don't know. This is what the Amazon seller gave me, okay? So putting on this ponytail, I just take the clip and just push it from the top. You see, it looks good from this angle, right? And then I'm going to get the bottom clip, tuck my hair inside the cap dome of this, push the bottom clip up. I'm gonna find the strings. Here they are. I'm gonna pull it just to tighten it. And then what I'd like to do is just wrap the string around, and then I'd use a bobby pin to tuck them in, because I mean, and usually you can tie it. I usually get it tied, but it wasn't tied, but it's whatever. So this is what it looks like with the ponytail on. Like it looks really, really good from the front. Let me turn around. I hope y'all can see it. Do you see how the ponytail, what it's giving back here? Not my cup of tea, but I can make it work. As long as I stay in the house and no one sees, I'm completely fine. But again, I warned y'all, I'll link it below, just in case you want to check out the vendor and see for yourself. But you can get mad at me if it looks like this. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna film at home to create content, then by all means buy it, wear it, just so that you can, you know, add the ponytail. But if you're gonna leave the house in it, You see, now is the time I'd really spray some got to be, but there's no need. So when I take my hair out of this, it's nice and soft. This hairstyle, it's not a long-lasting hairstyle. I'm not putting any stiff holding spray in it to keep it in place. If this is something I was gonna wear Monday through Friday, I take the ponytail off every night. Of course, I want to sleep properly. My hair will still remain in the bun. It will be in a loose bun though. Like I'll take off the scrunchies and just put in a loose bun to sleep. And then I would just retouch my edges, spray with water, do what I have to do to get the look back, slap the ponytail on again, and I'm good to go. I mean, if you want a long lasting ponytail, child, maybe you want to, I don't know, go get it done, like for real, for real. But this is just a quick hairstyle. I mean, of course I do this myself if I'm going out with a better ponytail at that. But yeah, simple, easy look, and that's that. All right, y'all, so this is me all done up. with my makeup and my hair already done. I really love how it looks from the front. Like everything is just on point, you know? But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'll have the details linked in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and be sure to hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Since you made it this far, let's drop some white hearts in the comment section. 3 white hearts in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye, TikTok at Tamara.Renaye, and keep up with me on my blog. I'm still saying it at www.tamararenaye.com. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.